We are not done to this.
Beautiful shot. I'm a little upset with the producer this morning because first she bring in an artist just to sing to my wife and don't say nothing to me, and she was having such a great time.
Where did your wife go?
Then she bring a dancer to teach us something like we don't know everything already. That man look like he can dance like I and I.
Well, no, he actually dances better than you. And
No, you just think so.
As he's about to prove.
No, so we are taking on Ding Dong's Bounce Challenge and here to help us
Dig.
catch the move. Sparta, what one?
Yeah.
Bless it. How long you been a dancer? I mean, officially, professionally, how long this been going?
Yeah, well, since 14 years old.
Why? Where did that come from? You were a DJ or something before that? Or you just...
No, just born with the talent.
That's right.
Okay.
Sir.
Yeah.
And it has worked for you?
Yeah, but professionally from 14 years old.
Fantastic. Good to meet you.
Yeah.
Professionally from 14.
Yeah.
So you come to show me something that I know already?
Well, move
no
over
problem.
so I can show.
No problem.
Or you want us on either side
test
of
the
you?
foot then.
Come in a minute.
Yeah. The
All
bounce?
All right.
All right.
So there are a series of moves.
Yeah.
First one is.
In the intro, you just do a walk.
Oh.
Walk.
Walk. Walk. Walk. Walk.
Walk. Walk. All right. So when the bounce start now, you just jump forward and back. While going forward, legs open.
And what?
Back
Okay.
close. All right. All right.
Ready?
So let's try that. So we go forward, back, and then right foot, skip, but together again.
Then lean a little bit.
Lean to the right.
And get that.
And you go 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So
Yeah.
4 swings.
Yeah.
All right. So go back from top.
All right.
Yeah. So you go boom, hop, skip, stop. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So now the right hand,
Yeah.
bring you around 4 times. 1,
2,
2, 3, 4. Right hand
Oh.
to the right. 1 to the left. Bam. Yeah.
Alright.
And go back from top.
Ready now?
All right. So
So
try.
keep it up from the top, make a walk. Turn it up there, Chris. Turn it up there, give some volume, my people.
Go on.
We have
The man say walk, Betty.
Yeah.
I can say walk. There's Chris behind there. Chris must come down.
Ah, yeah. Ah, yeah. 5, 6, 7,
Yeah.
boom. Skip. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. To the right. 1. Again. From top. 1, 2. You just swing up.
Hold on, you
swing.
change it for me.
Just swing.
No,
All
then
right.
after that, move.
All
baby.
right.
So the
So-
second time you don't do that.
No,
move.
you just
change
don't
it for me.
skip.
All right, come
So
again.
the second time there is no skip.
Okay.
So just
No
bounce,
skip.
hop, and then you just swing.
All right.
Alright?
Come again.
Yeah. Alright? Let's go. 5, 6, 7. Boom. Stop. 1, 2. Alright, go. To the right. Right. Then left. There we go. Boom. No skip. 1,
Oh,
2,
I skip.
3. Stop. Then we go round. Then step. And step. Alright. Pick up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And round. To the right. 1 and 2. There we go. No skip. Yeah. There we go. Around. And then.
Wait, no, that's fine now, come. Are you
Hold
ready
on,
to go?
hold on. Just go right here, so little.
All right,
Come
no
beside me.
problem.
sit. No, you don't go. Come now.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah, ready. Wait.
Yeah.
Throw me through it again, please.
How you do?
I cannot, I'm falling over my dress. Ready? One from top.
From the top.
One, man.
You have to
Walk,
walk.
walk, man.
What the man was saying to walk, man, just say walk. Ready now?
Keep your enemy there. Swing your one from left to right, me know the side of my then. Beat them like a whipping on me and me not look my friend. No for them, you talk when them see with them not the next thing. Make sure you see them on them. When them come to you with argument, make sure you run them. Happy I live for life, I make money, we not a problem. I bag a chat and make I say them bad, we not look at them. Boom. So you feel boom.
Oh, a new thing is bounce.
So you feel
Bounce. Take it to the
time.
Here you go now. Touch.
What?
Touch.
Hey!
touch. Go back front up again. All right.